Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable the Show Closed Captions feature in the Zoom mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and tap on it to access your account options. After tapping your profile icon, you'll be taken to a new screen with various account management options. From here, tap on Settings. This is where Zoom stores all the customizable features and preferences for your app experience, giving you control over how meetings function on your device. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see several categories that control different aspects of your Zoom experience. Look for the option labeled Meeting and tap on it. This section specifically handles all the settings related to how your meetings operate, including audio, video, and accessibility features like closed captions. Now that you're in the meeting settings, scroll down through the list of available options. You'll need to navigate a bit to find the feature we're looking for. Keep scrolling until you locate the option that says Always Show Closed Captions. This feature is particularly useful because it ensures that closed captions are automatically displayed whenever they're available in a meeting, making it easier to follow along with spoken content without having to manually enable captions each time. Once you've found the Always Show Closed Captions option, you'll notice a toggle switch right beside it. Tap this toggle to enable the feature. When activated, this ensures that captions will appear automatically in your meetings, providing real-time text of what's being said. This is especially helpful in noisy environments for accessibility purposes or when you simply want to make sure you don't miss any important information being shared during the meeting. And that's it. You've now configured your Zoom app to always display closed captions when available, making your meetings more accessible and easier to follow. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.